In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change region in Safari. This process is essential because Safari doesn't have its own region setting. Instead, it relies on your device's region, your Apple account region, or the specific website and search engine you are using. Understanding this is crucial as it ensures you access the right content based on your location preferences. So, let's get started with changing your device region first. To change your device region on an iPhone or iPad, you will need to open the Settings app. Look for the gear icon, which is usually found on your home screen. Once you tap on the Settings icon, the menu will unfold, revealing various options. From there, scroll down to find General. This section contains several important settings related to your device's overall functionality. After tapping General, you will see Language and Region. This is the area where you can adjust your region settings. Now tap on Region to access the list of available countries and regions. Select your preferred country or region from the list. This action is important because it directs Safari to adjust its content based on your new selection. Once you've made your choice, you will ensure that your browsing experience aligns with your preferred region. Next up, if you're looking to change the region for Apple services used in Safari, such as the App Store or specific Apple websites, the process is slightly different. Begin by opening the Settings app again. This time, look for your name at the top of the Settings menu. Once you tap on your name, you will see several options related to your Apple ID. Now navigate to Media and Purchases. This section governs the content and purchases associated with your account. Here, tap on View Account. It may prompt you to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID for security. This ensures that only you can access your account settings. After accessing your account, you will see an option labeled Country/Region. Tap on this to proceed with changing your Apple account region. Now you will see the option to change country or region. This is where you can select a new location for your Apple services. Make sure to select your new country or region from the list. After that, follow the prompts to complete the process. This step is vital as it impacts your access to apps, games, and services tailored to the region you have selected. It's important to note that Safari itself does not include a built-in setting to change its region independently. This means it will always refer back to your device settings and, in some cases, your search engine or Apple account region. Understanding this connection is essential for a seamless browsing experience. If you have followed these steps carefully, you should now see changes reflected in your browsing experience. With that ready, remember that adjusting your region settings can help ensure that you have access to localized content, which may include different apps, websites, and services tailored to your region. Always check your settings if you notice any discrepancies in your browsing experience. This will help keep your online activities aligned with your preferences. In conclusion, by changing your device region and your Apple account region, you have full control over the content Safari presents to you. This small effort can make a significant difference in your online experience. Thank you for following along, and happy browsing.